Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Real Life Excel. Hope you guys are having a good one. Thank you again to all the subscribers and all the views that I've been getting. I'm very surprised that I've been getting a lot of support past couple of days, especially with all the content that's around Excel and all the other content creators. So I'm really glad that some people are enjoying what I'm saying and the examples that I'm putting up, and hopefully that can continue for you guys. So again, really appreciate it, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to talk about. But I wanted to do a little bit more conditional formatting and sorting. So here I have a conditional format to search all the dates, or I guess to highlight all the dates in 2020. So here we have all the dates in 2020 in this big data set that I created in the previous video or two. And then I also created another conditional format within this big data set to highlight all transaction amounts that are under $1,000 and are within 2020. So here we have a handful of transactions that are under $1,000 within the 2020 time span. And also to create sort rules. So here I created some sorting rules. And it's looking a little bit funky based on what I've been playing around, but basically we can sort by multiple levels based on either font color, cell values, or cell color. And I've just been doing the font color just because of the conditional formatting. But yeah, so here's the completed file and we can get right into it. So this is the working file. So what I want to do is I want to select the entire row, or I guess the entire column of the dates. So I'll do a Control-Shift down arrow key, and I've selected nearly all 2,000 rows of dates. Then I want to go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and then there's one right here called Between. And Excel is really smart to pick up, okay, we're talking about dates here, right? And it'll give you a set of dates that you might be interested in. And right now I'm not really interested in that. I want to look at 2020. Let's just say the business is trying to analyze 2020 data because of COVID. Oh, let's do that one. 2020. That one's already December, so we'll do 31. 2020. Yep, so January 1st, 2020, December 31st, 2020. And we'll do that light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. We can see it's starting to highlight everything that is in 2020. Perfect. Let me go back up to the top. And then I also want to highlight all the transactions that are under $1,000. So let's do that. I'll Control Shift and then down arrow key. Go again to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then we'll do less than 1,000. And again, Excel will be like, okay, do you want to do amounts that are less than this amount? But I'm not interested in that. I just want to do 1,000. Click OK. And we can see it's picked up a couple $1,000 transactions, but not within the 2020 time frame. I just want to look at 2020 and those under $1,000. So what I can do now is I can select the entire data table. I guess not the first row because that's the name of the data, but I can just select all the data and then go to data. Then we can go to the sort button right here in the middle. Click sort. And then we can see that we have date, customer name, transaction amount, product. So these are the columns. So it's asking us which column do you want to sort by. I want to do the date first. You get to decide if you want to do the cell values, cell color, or the font color. I want to do the font color. And right now it's picking automatic, which is the black automatic from Excel. I'm going to click the red and then do that on top. Perfect. So that's the first step. And now we can see that it's highlighting, or I guess sorting by this red color text. So that's step one. I'm just selecting all the data again. We'll click again on sort, and we can add extra levels. So once you click the add level, it'll first sort by the first, so this is the parent, if I remember correctly, the parent and then the child of the sort, the next step of the sorting. So now I want to do by transaction amount. I'm trying to remember what I did. Then font color, so the transaction amount, so I'm trying to find the ones that are under $1,000. The font color for red, I don't know why that changed that. Then boom, now it's selecting all the dates that are within 2020 that are highlighted, and then putting all the amounts that are under $1,000 highlighted towards the top. Perfect. Now we just need one last step. I want to organize it by either oldest or newest dates. So again, we can click on sort, and then we can add an extra level down here. And I don't know why, it's probably because I'm Xing out of it, but we're putting these back to red. Then we'll do by date, cell values. Yep, we're going by cell values since we're looking at the dates, and we'll just do oldest to newest. Perfect. And so now it's doing 3 different sorts based on the date, between the dates, so only looking at 2020 data, looking at the sorts for the transaction amounts, so anything under $1,000, and then sorting by the oldest date within the 2020 dates. So hopefully this was helpful if you just want to analyze or look at specific data or highlight specific data and organizing it in your own special way.